Hi, Idli here from Stirna.is, your expert in Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. In this video, I will show you how you can create and send an HTML email using Dynamics 365 Sales and Power Automate. In cases where you need to be able to send out more complex emails, Dynamics 365 emails and templates can be limited in terms of your email design. Dynamics 365 Sales does not support custom HTML emails. However, this can be done with Power Automate. In this video, we will be exploring the use case where we want to send an HTML email with an event invite to a list of leads in CRM. So let's see how it's done. The first thing that you need to do is to open make.powerapps.com and create a solution that will store our flow. I've already done that, so I've created a solution just called flows. And I've created a flow and a custom field for the lead. This new field will be the trigger for our flow. So let's take a look at our flow and how it's configured. The first part of our flow represents our trigger. And the trigger is a field change on the lead entity. You need to insert the schema name of the field in the filtering attribute field, which you can find under the show advanced options here. You want a variable to store the HTML, so we create a variable. This needs to be initialized first, and this is the initialize variable action. And the variable type is string. For the condition, you want the email to be sent when the value is the field value of that new custom field we created is yes or true. Next, you start by setting the variable. I've simply pasted the HTML in the value field here. Next, you create the email message. In the activity party attribute, you define who will be the sender and the receiver of your email. Be careful how you reference the values, as these are lookup fields. You'll need to include the entity path, as you can see here. Remember, it's the plural name of that entity, so it's not lead, but leads. Once you've completed the necessary information, you can send the email. For this, you need an action called perform a bound action. So here we have the perform a bound action, and here's the entity name, is email message. The action name is send email. The item ID is the email message that we created in the previous step, and this should be set to yes. So let's save our flow. And now, lastly, we can test our flow to see if it works. So I'll just click on test and I'll perform the trigger action. Click test, and I have a lead open here in my CRM. And this is the field that I created. It's just a simple 2 option field with a yes, no value. Let's click on this one, change to yes, and save our record. Just wait a few seconds until our flow runs. Usually it doesn't take more than a few seconds. Okay, here we go. Still running. And the expression result is true. And the email has been created and sent. So let's go and look at how that message looks like. And this is how the message looks like. You are invited. And lastly, we want to look at the lead. Let's refresh the lead. Here is the email. This beautiful looking email. So this is being tracked inside of CRM. So mission accomplished. Again, for more details, visit my blog. If you like this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and blog. Have a nice one.